Alright, let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down at your desk and felt like your screen was the last thing still slowing you down? That's exactly where this begins, with the INNOCN 27-inch OLED. This is made for the kind of person who doesn't miss details. You feel timing, motion, and clarity instinctively. You've grown past the phase of convincing yourself that blur is normal or that your eyes just need to adjust. Deep down, you know when your display isn't keeping up with how seriously you play or work. Before you get too far into this, check the current price and stock. Monitors like this tend to move fast, and hesitation usually turns into frustration later. There's a moment that makes the upgrade obvious. You load into a fast FPS match or a twitchy RTS session, and your muscle memory expects resistance. Smear. Delay. That faint disconnect you've learned to compensate for. But it never shows up. Everything feels instant, like your hands and eyes are finally in sync. Once you leave behind older high-refresh panels, there's an unexpected sense of calm. You stop fighting motion. Dark scenes actually stay dark. Bright elements pop without washing everything else out. You're no longer adjusting settings just to make things tolerable. You feel it during long competitive sessions when tracking targets feels almost effortless. You feel it switching over to console play, where motion stays clean and responsive instead of mushy. You feel it even outside gaming, editing footage or scrolling late at night, where contrast and clarity make everything look intentional instead of dull. This isn't about chasing a bigger number. It's about the feeling of zero resistance. The image appears exactly when your brain expects it to, every single time. If you're considering it at all, don't wait for stock shifts or strange price jumps. Displays at this level tend to disappear quietly and come back at higher prices. You might be thinking this is more than you need. That thought usually comes from years of adapting to limits. Here, that headroom turns into comfort, precision, and future-proof confidence. The surprise benefit shows up after a few weeks. You stop thinking about your monitor completely. No tweaking. No second-guessing. It just works, and that freedom is addictive. Owning something built like this gives you a quiet sense of pride. Your setup finally reflects your standards, not your compromises. Motion feels perfectly locked in, blacks look deep and controlled, fast games feel effortless, eyes feel less strained, your desk feels upgraded, old needs mindful use, not the cheapest option. Eventually, you stop comparing specs and realize you're already sold. You keep coming back to the same screen because it's the one you actually want. Don't let this turn into the monitor you almost bought and still think about months from now. If this fits how you play and how you focus, make the move and enjoy the difference every time you sit down.